old Bucks County, where the maples kiss the sky. There's a town that holds a story, where the days go drifting by. Langhorne, you're my quiet song, where the nights are cool and long. Front porch talks and children's games, I still remember all your names. Railroad echoes in the morning, church bells ringing through the trees. Autumn leaves like golden warnings, dancing in the gentle breeze. Even when I'm far away, I hear the wind on Pine Street say, you'll always have a home to find in this little town of mine. Langhorne, you're my peaceful light, stars above you shining bright. Memories wrapped in warm July. Langhorne, you'll never say goodbye. Langhorne, where my heart still lies. Stars above you shining bright, memories wrapped in warm July. Langhorne, you'll never say goodbye. Langhorne, where my heart still lies. Where my heart still lies. Langhorne, you're my peaceful light, stars above you shining bright. Memories wrapped in warm July. Langhorne, you'll never say goodbye. Langhorne, where my heart still lies. Stars above you shining bright, memories wrapped in warm July. Langhorne, you'll never say goodbye.